Hi, this is 𝐃𝐢𝐠𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐥. I welcome you to Akish BPO Presents Digital Talk Episode 4. Today, we are going to talk about lead generation. Now, you don't need to rely on others for lead generation. There are absolutely three free ways where you can find leads for your company. Let's jump onto the video.
You can see my screen here. First, you need to go to Apollo and create an own account. I've already created an own account, so I'm going there. Then you're going to go to people, and here are some keywords where you can search it and fill up the boxes. In the industry and keyword section, I'm searching about computer software. So I'm writing it computer software. Then to location, account headquarter, I'm writing it New York. You can write in your own. Then contact location, I'm still writing it New York. You can write your own just as you need. Then moving on to New York further, that's the location section of ours. And then to job titles. Job titles, here we are going to search owners, founders. Let's search founders. Here you can see the numbers are increasing. Then CEOs, you can choose it according to your own way. Then COO, you can see the numbers are coming, the contacts are coming. See the job titles, company, now CMO, MD. You can add multiple things. Then employee, the size of a company. I'm here gonna search in a custom range. There you can custom your range. For instance, let's take 1, and for the maximum number, let's take 5. See, the things are changing. Now net new is 152. Let's change it to 7. Okay, then you can also take the preferred range. It's up to you. But now I'm gonna search it for 1 to 7, and here in preferred range, there's 1 to 10. There's 250 persons in 1 to 10. Let's stick to this. Now email status, likely to engage and verified. These are the two things where you need to catch up. Unavailable and unverified are not important for us, so let's take it likely to engage and verified. Verified are the emails where you can actually shoot out mails and get some replies. Here are the things: computer science, software industry person, job titles, employees, and other things, email status. That's it. Now you can see there are 151 things in New York. Now select the number of people. You can customize here. The maximum number you can get is 25. You can minimize it according to your own need. Then max people per company. You can maximize it, minimize it, but preferred range should be 1. You need only 1 person from each company. You don't need multiple persons. After selecting all these things, let's go to save. Here, save. Here you need to create a list. If you have already created a list, you can add to them, but you haven't created a list, let's create one. So for now, I'm creating computer software. So here are the things: computer software, create and save. Apollo gives 200 free credits, so you can start 200 and then you can buy one, or you can add one, or you can contact to anybody who can give it to you. Then in the list sections, there's the list. We can find the numbers. We can find our own list. Here's a buffering. Just give me a minute. There's a list. There are the computer software and 25 records. Now click on the records. You can see the number saved 25, total 25. Now we're gonna save it and download it for our Surface, and we will start mail shooting or messaging them or contacting them for our business. There you can set the phone numbers, their mails, and it's a verified mails. Look at the stars. You can get the numbers, you can get the company name, you can get the job title, their name, and max people per 1. Apply, and now we're gonna save it, download it, export. Now you can click on the export and export emails, export verified emails. I'll go for the export all emails. It will give a CSV file to you. Now let's download it. Here's the Apollo contact. Now it's come to an Excel sheet. Let's just take all the copies here and let's find it on a sheet. I'm copying it. You can sort it in your own way. Whatever you need, you can sort there. Now I'm copying it, and let's go to a Google Sheet, where I prefer Google Sheet, but you can do it in Excel as well. That's the Google Sheet. Now let's paste it. Just let's add some minor adjustments for good looks. Their software, let's set the company name software. software leads. Just yes, software leads. And the other thing, this is your list, which is absolutely for free. Now let's on to another thing. Let's try a new thing. Let's try site. Just note down that code. You can start from there. Just go to the Google and write this. You can change the fashion to your need. You can add construction, city name, you can change it, and Gmail. You'll get the Gmails or mail IDs of these persons. Now let's jump to the bottom. You can see the numbers. You can see the emails. Yeah, that's their email. Fashion emails. I'm searching fashion. You can search anything. Now there's an extension, Email Hunter. You can add it from Chrome Web Store, which is for free. It's a free extension. When you click on that extension, these things will appear. From the first page, we can get this type of thing. Now let's just copy it and go into a sheet, and now a blank sheet, and just paste it. Just let's have some minor adjustment. Let's rewrite it fashion, because it's a fashion. Now the mails, look at them. It's from first page. Now we will go to the next page, there, the number 2 page, and do the same process again. Let's click on the email file hunter, and he will give us those mails as well. Now let's just copy it and paste it. And again, fashion. Now let's do it again for third page. Now the process will continue. We will start doing it. And Email Hunter is absolutely free extension. Just go to Chrome Web Store and write Email Hunter. You will get an extension. There it is. Now let's go to the fourth page. We'll continue to doing this. We'll just continue to doing this. Now, and he will give us the mails. He will give us the mails. Now we can use these mails and shoot out our things, our services, our products to them, and let's make them our clients. Now next page. You can do it for multiple pages, and you can get almost 50, 60, any email. Just change the dynamics. Just add fashion or add something which you want. The address, you can write Berlin, you can write California. I'm writing New York, and Gmail account will appear, and things will go on. Now let's do the 10th page, and you can add it. You can go around. You can do it. It's your wish. Things will start just going. Now let's try another thing. Sales Navigator. It's a premium version of LinkedIn. Here is a lead account where you can go and add some keywords, add some typings, add some filters, just like Apollo. Functions, job titles, seniority level, and he will give them their LinkedIn IDs where you can send emails or message them or get connection requests. Now for geography, let's start United States. We are doing it again. United States and United Kingdom and Oceania. He will give you, let's see, there's 100 millions of people around there, 100 million plus industry. Let's go to the industry section now and add our preferable industries. Today I'm going to retail and apparel fashion. You can start your own. It's a Sales Navigator option where you can buy it, but it's a free for first month. I mean, LinkedIn ID will give you first month free trial, and then it counts money. Now you can add multiple filters just like this. I'm adding some things, and it will reach 15 million plus. Profile, language, last name, first name, you can add them if you know somebody. If you don't know somebody, you can go to them. Then go to export CSV. Now we can start Darren Asmith, third hole. Just we can go to the message option and email them. Dan Pass. Now you can message them. It's an email section where you can write your subject and your mail. So it's my mailing. But I'm like, hi, hope you're doing great, blah blah blah, your things, your company name. I came across your profile and was impressed. That's completely your thing. What you're gonna write. I have pasted it. I have something to my own, and I pasted it. In the subject section, I'm just writing explore, digital, presence, opportunity. So there's my mail, and now I can send it to them. Now that's my thing. I'm sending it. So that's okay for now. So goodbye for now. It concludes here. Let's see you on the next video. Goodbye.